under sa pamumuno ng Mayor at the time, Sara Duterte, in 2019, ma'am, binigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds yung Davao City. Now, before you answer that, I'm showing you an infographic, okay, of the yearly confidential funds allocated to Davao City from 2016 to 2022. Now, ito yung tanong now. Hindi po ba in 2019, yung allocated na confidential funds para sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
For 2020, 460 million pesos din yung na-allocate to Davao City as confidential funds. Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi hindi po ganyan ang aking na-withdraw as SDO po sa Davao City.
Alright. Ma'am, so yung tanong, hindi yung how much yung na-withdraw nyo. Yung tanong is, how much yung na-allocate.
Hindi ko maalala, Your
Alright,
Honor.
sige. For 2021, hindi mo rin maalala na yung na-allocate na amount as confidential funds sa Davao City is 460 million pesos. Hindi mo rin maalala yan, ma'am?
Hindi ko na maalala, Your Honor. Dugay na, tagal naman kasi yun, Your Honor.
Alright.
Tapos may edad na po ako, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay. That is your answer. For 2022, so what sinasabi nyo? Okay, what about for 2022? Before you transfer to the OVP, okay, yung Davao City na bigyan din ng 460 million pesos in confidential funds, 2022, hindi nyo rin maalala yan.
Hindi ko maalala,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor, kung ilan ay mauba na o yan ba ang confidential fund, Your Honor.
Is it because, sabi mo, sa edad nyo, hindi nyo na maalala, ma'am? Di po ba?
Contributor po ang edad ko, Your Honor, at saka dugay na po na, Your Honor.
Okay na.
Matagal na, Your Honor.
By Dugay, the witness said matagal na. 2022. 2022. 4 na taon pa lang. Yung nalipas. No, I'm not yet done. I'm not yet done.
Counsel, let the council finish.
This is a probing question. And you are telling this public, ma'am, hindi niyo na maalala yung amount na binigay sa OVP na nangyari lang 4 na taon pa lang.
Objection.